You're hustling, putting in hours, posting, selling, driving, delivering, whatever it takes. But somehow, you're still broke. Here's what nobody tells you. Side hustle income isn't real income. Not yet. Because you're not actually keeping it. It comes in and goes straight back out. Expenses, time, burnout. And worst of all, no plan to scale. In surveys we conducted, most people said their side hustle barely covered gas, food, or supplies. Some were even losing money, but still calling it income. And you feel it, that pressure, that constant grind. You're working more hours, but somehow feel less free. You miss time with family, you're always tired. And the money? It's not changing anything. Your bank account still looks the same. The debt still hangs over you. And worst of all, you start questioning if it's even worth it. Now imagine this continues. Another 6 months, another year, still running in circles, the same routine, the same hustle, the same disappointment. You try new apps, watch new gurus, but nothing really changes. You look up one day, and you're still stuck, still hoping, still trying. That's how people stay trapped for years, thinking they're building something, when really they're just busy. So ask yourself right now, do you want to change this? Do you want your hustle to actually make money? To grow instead of drain you? To stop the cycle? And start building something real? Because if you do, you need to stop thinking like a hustler and start thinking like a builder. That means tracking what's working, knowing your margins, measuring ROI, and having a plan, a real plan. Not grind harder, but build smarter. No more guessing, no more chasing shiny objects, no more downloading 15 apps hoping this one will be different. If you're going to put in the work, you deserve results, not scraps, not excuses, results. And yes, that is possible. We've seen it. From people just like you, people who were stuck, then made one change. They stopped following hype and started following strategy. They learned what to say no to, where to focus, and how to actually earn from what they do. You don't need to gamble. You don't need to go viral. You just need to follow the right steps. That's exactly why we created the You Can series, a step-by-step breakdown of what actually works, based on real stories, real struggles, and real results. Download the free guide below. 5 hustles that actually work. It's the first step toward getting out of the hustle trap and into something that pays. And if you're ready to go deeper, to scale faster, grab the $19.99 upgrade. Let's build something that actually works for you. Download the free guide below. And if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade.